Okay, we're making keto onion rings. 2 large sweet onions cut into rings, 2 cups almond flour, 2 cups of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, salt and pepper, 4 eggs beaten, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and cooking spray is what you need. Okay. Now in this bowl, we've got almond flour, 2 cups, 2 cups of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Okay, in this bowl, we've got 4 eggs and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Here's our onions cut up in this bowl. And what you're going to do is in a medium bowl, combine the almond flour, Parmesan cheese, baking powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Then you're going to beat your 4 eggs and your heavy whipping cream in another bowl. Then you're going to dip your onion rings in the almond flour and stuff. Then egg, then back to this. And that's how you're going to do it. You're going to take them from here, dip them in here, dip them in there, then dip them back in here, and then put them on your baking sheet. And you're going to bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, or you can use them in your air fryer at 350 for 5 minutes. And if you wanted to, you could flip them and cook them another 5 minutes. Because each person's oven is different and air fryer is different. Okay, and if you make these, it's got 7.64 carbohydrates and 217 calories. Potassium, 277. Fiber, 2.45 grams. Sugar, 1.67 grams. Keto onion rings. Let's get our baking pan ready. You're going to put parchment paper on your baking sheet. Then you're going to spray it with cooking spray. And then you're going to bake your onion rings. Okay, we're going to spray our baking pan. Okay, for the baking instructions, you're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Line a sheet with parchment paper. Arrange the onion rings in a single layer and spray with cooking spray. Bake for 10 minutes. Flip and respray with oil. Bake another 10 to 12 minutes until crisp and brown. Now, if you want to do it in an air fryer, preheat your air fryer to 350. Arrange the onions in a single layer. Cook it in batches as needed. If desired, you can line your air fryer with air fryer liners. Spray the onions with cooking spray and cook for 5 minutes. Use a spatula to carefully reach under the onion rings and flip. Respray and cook another 5 minutes longer. Okay, we're going to try this. Okay, we're going to dip our onion ring in this first. Then dip it in our flour mixture. Dip it back in the egg mixture. Then dip it back in your flour mixture. And there is your onion ring. That's what it looks like. Let me get these on here and I'll be right back with you. Okay, now we got them all done. Now we're going to spray them. With cooking spray. And then you'll turn them over at 10 minutes and cook them another 10 minutes. And you'll spray it again. Okay, I'll be back with you and show you what they look like. There they are. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Tell me how you like it in the comments below. I'll leave the recipe in the comments below. Thanks for watching Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. You can also find me on Facebook at Tanya Marie Fugate. Push the like and subscribe button if you ain't already. And leave me a comment. Bye. Watch the video all the way through. That way I get credit for it. Keto onion rings.